Hey everybody, it's Diana and I'm going to do semi on time the May IPSY unboxing. If you watched my April one, I've been kind of waiting on these, but not waiting. Like, they actually came really quickly. A month or two I got these, I felt like they came later in the month, and these ones pretty much the first week of the month. So even though we are only 17 days into May, which I guess is like halfway through, I got this probably in the first 10 days or less. So IPSY is $10 a month and it's a subscription. I pay for mine a year in advance. I finish stuff or use it more, I'll try to update you guys. I may or may not throw some of these things into my project pan during the year, because even though they're minis, some things take a while to use up, even as a mini. But yeah, I've been really happy with this so far. You get a little card in them. Last month's and this month's did not have any pictures or info or even the names of the products in there, where the first 3 months they were. So I'm not sure where they switched. So I wrote mine on the back so that I'll remember when I do my recap what to pull out of the drawers. Anyways, again, this is the cute little bag that came. What we got in the bag? We got, which to me looks like this could possibly be full size, is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics HD Finishing Powder. It looks pretty big. It does come with like a little poof in it. I have it sealed up. I'm not going to use this for a while. It takes me a long time to get through loose powder. Excited to get this. I've never tried this brand, and finishing and loose powders or something I don't like to buy, so thank you. So now I don't have to buy one. Even though I have a few, keeps me from buying them in the future. They have this cute pore clearing clay mask by Innisfree. I hear a lot of Australians talking about Innisfree that I watch on YouTube, and it seems like a good brand. I didn't know that they were masks, or I didn't remember. It smells like a mud mask. I'm excited to try this. And even a little mini like this, I feel like you would get at least like 5 uses out of this, and that's pretty good, especially for like a trial size. Then we got a mini of, from Papa Recipe, eggplant cleansing foam. So nice little face wash. It looks like it's filled up to about that purple line, so that's a pretty good amount. I don't use a ton of face wash super fast, so for me this will probably last me, a couple weeks to a month. Doesn't really have much of a scent. Yeah, doesn't have much of a scent, but I'll try it. Pretty cool. I've never heard of Papa Recipe before. Another brand I have never heard of is Nature's Cartel, and this is a multi-purpose stick. Let's see. I know I looked at this earlier. It's called Global Awakening, and it's a illuminator. So this is a really pretty, like, facial highlighter under the foundation. Oh, it's got kind of a twist to it. It's like pink and gold. Can you even see it? Can you even see it? Kind of, maybe. No. There it is, kind of flashing next to the green. It's really pretty. I think this will be fun. I'm working on another liquid, well, a liquid illuminator, not a stick one that they gave me, but eventually I'll try it. And then finally, a full-size Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in Versailles, which is a really pretty nudie metallic. I don't have too many metallics. It's not something I necessarily go after to buy. But that's really pretty. I'll enjoy trying that. So I thought this was a great, every month I've been enjoying them. It's new stuff I can use, stuff I now don't have to buy. So I got all 5 of these cuties. I think this is definitely worth the $10 a month. I know for a fact the Ofra full-size lipstick itself, if you like that color, it's probably like 20 bucks minimum by itself. I think Bella Pierre is relatively expensive. I'm sure Innisfree is, and then these ones I'm not sure, but pretty big samples of everything. This is probably a pretty standard deluxe sample, but I'm excited. Tell me what you think. Did you like your May IPSY? Right? Yeah, May IPSY. Or not if you liked mine. Hopefully you got some good stuff. Alright guys, bye.